There's a massive difference between having an iPhone and actually using it. If you're tired of a messy inbox and constant interruptions, then these 10 tips are for you. I'm skipping the basics and going straight to the settings that actually change how you live and work every day. These are not new, but they may be new to you. Let's dive in. If your iPhone is lost and on silent mode, there's no reason to keep calling it. It won't make a sound. Try this 1 second trick instead. Just say, "Hey Siri, set a timer for 1 second." The timer ends instantly and triggers your alert at full volume, completely bypassing your silent or vibrate switch. It's the fastest way to find your iPhone buried in couch cushions or in another room. Now you can stop guessing and ruining your clothes. Here's the easiest way to decode those confusing laundry symbols on your clothing tags with just your iPhone. Snap a photo of the clothing tag, open the photo, and tap the info icon at the bottom. Tap Laundry Care. Your iPhone tells you exactly how to wash, dry, and iron that specific fabric. No more mystery, just perfect laundry every time. Share this with someone who still shrinks their favorite shirts. Your iPhone isn't actually distracting, it's your priority notifications. Most people let every app interrupt them, but you really shouldn't. Here's how to limit the distractions. Go to Settings, Notifications, and look for Prioritize Notifications. From here, you can manually toggle apps on or off. This tells your phone exactly which apps are allowed to grab your attention immediately and which ones can wait. The key is to be aggressive. If it's not a person or a deadline, toggle it off. My advice, try this setup for a few days. If you feel like you're really missing something, or you're getting way too many notifications from other apps, then go back into Settings and make a few tweaks until it feels right. This one change alone can change how your entire day feels. Stop reacting to your phone and start controlling it. Some days, silence is actually louder than noise. If you need to drown out the world just to focus on work or sleep, you need to know that your iPhone has a hidden tool built right in. Open Control Center and tap Out of Control, search for Hearing, and look for the 3 music notes icon. Tap to add it to Control Center, then just grab the corner and drag it. Make it at least twice as large. It transforms the icon into a readable title so you never have to guess what you're tapping. Long press that icon to unlock background sounds. Here you can adjust volume, select sounds or other background settings. Tap Sounds and let it go to see that you have 16 different options to choose from, like rain, ocean, or white noise, to instantly reset your environment. Since these are included with your iPhone, there's no need for a subscription app or a separate sound machine. And here's a pro tip. Tap Background Sound Settings at the bottom and scroll down to set a timer. This isn't just a timer to stop within minutes or hours, but you can also set it to stop at a specific time of day, which is especially useful if you need it for sleeping. Whether you're in a loud office or a room that's just too quiet, this is the ultimate focus hack. Try the rain setting and let me know in the comments below. Do you ever swipe away an email only to see it come back the next day like it never left? If your emails keep resurrecting themselves, it's because they're archiving instead of actually deleting. Let's fix that forever. Open Settings, tap Mail, and go to Accounts. Select your email provider and tap the account name one more time to find the advanced menu. Under Move Discarded Messages, switch it from Archive to Deleted Mailbox. Now your phone knows that when you toss something, you want it gone. Next, go back to the main mail settings and tap Swipe Options. Set your preferred side to Move Message. A full swipe, one long motion all the way across, will now delete the email instantly without needing a second tap. And if you delete something by mistake, don't panic. Just double tap with 3 fingers to instantly undo. Stop letting your inbox haunt you. Clean it out for real this time. And subscribe for more ways to take control of your iPhone. It's free to do. Speaking of email, nothing breaks your focus faster than replying to yesterday's email instead of today's. If you're tired of scrolling to the bottom of a thread to find the latest email, let's flip the switch. Open Settings and scroll down to Apps, then tap Mail. Under the Threading section, toggle on Most Recent Message on top. Now whenever you open a long conversation, the newest reply is exactly where it should be. right at the top. No more digging through a chain of 20 emails just to find the most recent. That fixes your inbox, but if you're tired of typing altogether, you're going to love this next tip in your voice notes. Do you ever record something important, like a class or a meeting or a late night idea, but you never go back and really listen to it because you can't find the right spot? Stop digging through hours of audio. Do this instead. Open Voice Memos and tap on any recording. Now tap the transcript icon at the bottom left corner. Your iPhone instantly generates a full timestamped transcript of your audio. You don't have to listen to the whole thing. Just tap any word in the text, and the audio will jump exactly to that moment. These transcripts are fully searchable. Just pull down on the main list of memos and search for a keyword. It will find every recording where you mention that specific word. It's like having a search engine for your brain. Now that we fixed how you record the ideas, let's make sure you're not distracted while you're having those ideas. This one saves arguments. If you've ever hung up from a phone call and immediately forgot the most important detail, you need to start using this. During a phone call, tap the ellipsis icon, then tap Call Recording. Once you tap it, your iPhone will announce to everyone that the call is being recorded.
This call will be recorded.
Keeping things transparent and legal. As you talk, your phone is doing the work in the background. When the call ends, you don't just get an audio file, you get a full, timestamped transcript saved automatically to your Notes app. This is massive for work calls or doctor appointments. You can search the text later to find exactly what was promised or planned. Now there's no more he said, she said. Just a perfect digital trail for every important conversation. If you're tired of answering spam calls or wondering if that unknown number is really an important call, this hidden feature lets you visualize voicemail and screen calls like a pro. Head into Settings, tap Phone, select Live Voicemail. Make sure this is toggled on. Now when someone leaves a voice message, you'll see a real-time transcript appear on your lock screen while they're still talking. If it's actually important, you can pick up mid-sentence. If not, just let them keep talking and you can hear the full voicemail later. Your time is important, and scammers like to take advantage of it. Stop playing guessing games with your phone calls and only answer the ones that really matter. Do you ever wonder exactly when you talk to someone? Not a guess, but the exact date and time. Your iPhone is a time machine for those conversations. Let's look at how. Just open the phone app, find a name in your recents, and tap the I icon. Select Call History, and you'll see every single call you've ever made or received from them. It's the easiest way to settle an argument about who called who last, or just to see how long it's actually been since you checked in with a friend. There you go. From managing your inbox to tracking years of history, these are the changes that make your iPhone actually work for you. A quick shout out to all my subscribers. You really are the best. If you haven't subscribed yet, it's free to do. I'd love to hear from you on what tip helped you the most, or what tip you're struggling with. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.